Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this new product that I have bought recently. I have already made a separate video on it. My friend Rahul already has this product. It is a car washer by ResQtech, a company based in Pune. So I ordered it on the 4th and it just got delivered after 4 days. Today is the 8th of April. So I'm just going to do the unboxing video of this particular product. This is the bill. I bought it for 2,145 rupees. So it's quite reasonable. On Amazon, it's a little expensive. So yes, if you order it from their official website, you can save a lot of money. This is letter of appreciation that they have given us. Thank you for choosing ResQtech. We assure you that all our products have been manufactured with the highest quality of material and standards. So this is a very good thing that these people have done. And here comes the main product. Okay, so this is how it is. You can see the picture here. ResQtech 8-liter multi-purpose portable car washer. Alright, so let me tell you that this particular product you cannot just use to clean your motorcycles and cars. You can also use it to clean windows, for gardening. Take it to the beach. It can be taken and used to clean and wash yourself from sand and salty sea water when going to the beach. Okay, that's a good thing. Sportsman, this will come in handy for sports enthusiasts who would prefer to clean their equipment before they pack it in. So yes, car like mountain bikes and all of the things. Washing pets, so you can also use it to wash pets. Okay, portable shower. There are people who even use our products as portable shower because of water shortage and also because it uses less water. And the last one is useful during monsoon season, used for cleaning muddy shoes before entering your car or even house. Alright, so they have packed it very well. First of all, I must appreciate this thing. And here is the product. So you can fill water in it, and this is how you can use it for cleaning your things. Okay, what else do we have in this box? Okay, so this is a nozzle that you can attach here. What else do we have? A cloth. Okay, to clean your car and motorcycles, and this is the brush. By the way, let me tell you that this is very soft. It's very soft, so it is not going to harm your vehicle. But please make sure that you don't use this particular thing, to clean your tires, because if you clean your tires with this brush and then if you use it to clean your bike or the car, it might cause scratches. So avoid using it for tires and all. So yes, that's it. This is all we all get it. If you want to know how this product is used, you can definitely watch my previous video.